My baby mother.
Yeah.
Me love you.
Shout.
Life giver.
Shout to the man say, love you. Life giver, you get the man, you with them come a road. You see me, I say. You know, man, no man no brave enough to say them love them woman, you know. You know me, I say. So, if a man about to put in a one song, say, I love you. Man, them, when you can play a song for no woman. I talk about general, because I say, no kids that really watch my channel, and a good thing that. Baby people want to watch you think. Yo, tell a woman, say, you love her. Put on a song in the night. Rub down her body, girl, go nice, go massage, when she feel good. You know me, I say, bro, God. Yeah, run tune.
Me love you.
Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. Well, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs, and I'm back with another reaction video. Now, what a Vybz Kartel Life Giver official, not official, lyric video. You mean I say, if you see a comment right there, so big up yourself. Thanks for supporting your boy. Comment on this video. This a video, yeah. To see your comment in the next video that I post, and I know I post 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times a day. So that's a good reason to subscribe to the channel. Another reason is you click on the video, that means you want to see something. So subscribe if you don't subscribe yet. Because I try to reach 10,000 subscribers on Vybz Kartel right now. So let's see what I go on. I'm going to see if we can get 100 likes on the video right now. You did me and say, run it tune, let's see what I go on.
Baby.
Yeah.
Nothing can change. That we have created a life together.
Wow. Man, step out for the girls, them are ready. Baby, you ready for this? No, I'm gonna start over the song for the ladies right now. Baby them, the girl them, listen to the teacher talk.
Baby.
Baby.
Nothing can change.
Girl. Yo, the man said nothing can change. Them call baby sexy. Every Gaza girl pum pum wet up. Every one of them girl. Run the tune.
That we have created a life together.
Yeah.
So no matter what happens to us, we're always gonna be
Damn.
tied.
The man them, when I take notes, make sure someone listen to what the teacher said to me right now in the dark. You see me? I'll be a lyrics must speak to the girls right now that say can teach some of them lyrics if you use with a girl from the day in the bedroom. You know, in the bedroom, if you talk about, you know, dust don't do in the bedroom, I chill with a girl. He just says, I'm girl, baby. Nothing can change. You did me? Make sure someone take notes. Or notes, someone like me, I tell. Run the tune, me chat too much. Vybz Kartel. I tell me quick, I big up myself. Hold on there. Oh no. The day one them, I walk go on, never see the Kartel drop one song. Life giver, I could never send it to me and say, yo, react to this. I never see it, you know, me dip on the road, you know. It's alright. Me I pray, oh no. Me I pray, oh no. It's alright. You never tell me say song drop. Run through Tarek.
Remember when you told me you were pregnant?
Yeah?
I got emotional.
What?
We thank God for giving us a beautiful.
Me tell you this. If you never plan for it, then I'm going to get emotional at all. And plan baby, I can't get happy. I go ball. And no, me don't want it. Me never ready for this. Me can't do it. Me can't go mind the pit. That's how you never fuck without no. You was about. But anyways. So you tell me say hey, they together and I try my baby all along, you know. And she said, baby, you know, so I'm pregnant. Hey, break one them I go say, yeah, what am I gonna do now? My life, mash up my life done. But no, you have to have money. You see, you get emotional, you see me I say, run the tune now.
Beautiful present. You looked at me and you look so nice.
Yeah.
That I started crying.
Damn. Imagine the Kartel I cry because Shawty said I'm pregnant. But all on them like how them give teacher a cartoon right there, so. I think I saw him look right now because they don't know, you know, extremely white again. He look like the cartoon, but I just the image. I think that image I'm gonna push right now. The coat, the low cut ear. Don't mention my ear today. My ear different. I bag of different things today. Just pull it out and see now make it go on. Take a little breeze, but yeah, run tune, chat too much.
Years of joy, we're gonna have a girl or a boy. My baby, my dog.
If me dog, every time I'm singing I put up about woman, I think say if you on the Tyrekejt album, brother. I wait on the rest of the video there, you know. My favorite song in the moment, I wait on the rest of them people. One of the favorite song for Tyrekejt album by Vybz Kartel, by the way. I don't like to know that. I don't know. My favorite song, and it's still my favorite song until this day. Not even just off of the album. One of my favorite Kartel songs that for like in the moment. Why can't we just live in the moment? The man said, boom. I don't know why you always want me to meet you somewhere. I gotta wake up in the morning. I gotta get up in the... Why can't we just live in the moment? No, Rachel.
My baby mother.
Yeah.
I love you.
Sure.
Life giver.
Shout to the man say, love you. Life giver, you get the man, you them come a road. You see me, I say. You know, man, no man no brave enough to say them love them woman, you know. You know me, I say. See if a man have acted and put in a one song, say, I love you. Man, them, when you can play a song for no woman. I talk about general, because no kids that really watch my channel, and a good thing that baby people want to watch you think. Yo, tell a woman, say you love her. Put on a song in the night. Rub down her body, girl, go nice, go massage, when she feel good. You do me, I say, bro, God. Yeah, run tune.
I love you. My baby mother. Remember I drove you to the hospital.
Remember I drove. Enough man no did in the dog. Enough man did for them something in the addy. When I time to go to hospital, brother. You see me water just broke. But most of the man them with their work and them try to make sure so them have every money ready for the youth come and feed there. The water get broke and the man there for get woman go to hospital. You see me I say, but if you know your artist, you got them one for do it. You hear me? But dog, wish we did it with my youth all born there, that's what dog. But run through.
You were in so much pain.
Yeah.
I wish that I could have taken it away. Then it was over.
Aww. Kartel, the ladies. Kartel representing for all the ladies, like all the baby mothers. I'm just realizing this song was made. From I saw the name Life Giver. Shit, I should have realized it was made for like the baby mothers out there. Like, yo, I'm telling you, Kartel have a song for everybody in a red arm. Somebody said, man, them said this from the stream. X-Russell, big up yourself. Toughiana, big up yourself. You see me, I say. SCT, big up yourself. You see me, I say. Iceman, big up yourself. But I'm just saying, yo. Kartel has a song for everyone. That's crazy. Run show.
And I heard my baby cry. That I started crying.
Woo!
Tears of joy.
We did it in that moment. They were not going to be able to one dog. You see me, I say, be able to take the first breath. You see me, I say, that can smack baby on the body. Pow! Ball! I'm just making fun. I'm sorry. But like, I wish I was there, yo. Every father, I feel like everyone is supposed to dead it, dog. Really experience it, dog. You get me? And see what your mother, your woman got through for bringing a picnic on America. And like when you go out, someone father not appreciate it, you know. Run it tune.
Boy, we're gonna have a girl or a boy. My baby, like, remember when you told me you were pregnant and you look so nice. My baby mother.
I'm singing too calm for my energy in the dog. I try to skip up at the chorus because I don't hear the chorus like it. I'm singing too calm for my energy, dog. I like it though, I like it. Let me say, I have a song for everybody. I rate that. But the singing too calm for my energy. So I try, hold it down, cry my easy, my one buckle yourself. Alright, run through.
I love you. Remember I drove you to I started crying. I love you. I love you. Give up.
Self-made song. Alright, song done. People, I don't know what to say. I'm going to say what's there so I can go on to bust a bad reaction to. Night, yeah. But bust a bad reaction to something night, yeah. Song the bad though, I like it song. I don't think about that song. I rate it's a song for the baby mother. I say, Kartel have a song for everybody. You understand? And it makes sense, God. It makes sense. Man, I have a song for everybody. So what's there, sir? Or should I check out my UK reaction, you know? They mean I reacted then you want me already. Storm already. Me need to go hard already. What song them man? Never reacted that video, you know?
Hey, yeah, me baby mother so we left
dog. To every girl love. Every girl love but a bitch. Yes, so I'm going to squash right now. I have squash. Fresh and Vybz Kartel. Beat Dem Bad, you know, people. Official music video on the paper. Them deaf? On ready for this? Smash the like button. Run it on. Star. Every girl love Bobby 6. And every girl love. Hey, yo, Adi. Hold on there. You see, no, this video. I'm going to get a girl that's to walk past the scene, so. Remember, what's she there? Right, you alright, you know. But we don't want to see you. She don't want to see you. If she walk past bad boy, watch her on the run back with the battery run that cut. Me never see she. Run it tune. Love Bobby 6.
Yeah, I never get love 6 bars.
Yo, what you can't just do it so to me, little girl. You have to start the video and go on so in a... No, man. No, she just do it, sir.
Yo. What one?
I mean, I don't see her best. You know, I big up on yourself, yeah, man. I'm bother with it. Big up on yourself, people. My God. Let me know. Say if you don't want to react to that video, yeah. Now, if you don't want to react to that video, yeah. Say react to the Vybz Kartel and squash. Beat them bad. Say it in the comments. If a 2 person alone say it, me I go do it.
6.
Gaza. Everybody go. Nah, go to no more.